It is a bittersweet day indeed, folks. I'm Autumn Beckman, and welcome to the final Vlogmas of 2023, day 25. Editing Autumn here. Did I really just say 2023? I'm a year ahead already. That's probably because I've been planning so much already for 2023, and probably because I am exhausted. And Merry Christmas to you. I can't believe it is almost over, or it is over. It's here. It's over as soon as the video's over. Christmas is upon us. Merry Christmas to you if you celebrate that. Happy holidays if you celebrate something else. This has been a weird one for me. A lot of you seem to like Vlogmas this year, and you said you've enjoyed it more than previous Vlogmases. Personally, good things and bad things for me. I really enjoyed doing some of the pre-filming before Vlogmas even started, or doing things just a few days ahead, mainly because this year I got to share my Oregon trip with you that we took over the Thanksgiving week, but also because with my schedule it really is helpful. I didn't get to do, I'm trying to make room here for Baron who wants to jump up. I didn't get to do everything I wanted to do or said I would do in Vlogmas this year. There are a few recipes I wanted to do that I haven't done yet. I've purchased quite a bit of jewelry over the last month that I haven't shown you. I've filmed it, but I haven't shown it to you. So I'm thinking maybe later this week or sometime soon I'll put that in a video. You got to meet new family members, both human and canine. You got to meet Drunk Paul. You seem to enjoy that. And of course, plenty of antics from Baron and Roxy. And you got a lot more of Vincent this year, which a lot of you seem to enjoy as well. Thank you all so much for tuning in and sticking it through with me, for watching, for leaving comments. Thank you to the people who sent gifts, especially my Secret Santa, Gwenny of Styled by Gwenny, who did that while she was packing up her house and moving to a new house and working. I don't know how, but I appreciate all your support and all your kind words, and I'm really looking forward to this next year. There is so much happening, some of which you know about, some of which you will know about later. And on this last day of Vlogmas, I thought I would share something special with you. Some Louis Vuitton unboxings, one of your favorite things. We have one advent calendar door left. This is in the local chocolate. Ooh, and it's my favorite one. How nice. It's the one with the marshmallows on top, with the cookie inside. It's like a s'more, my favorite. I also have a very special thing to open here that I bought for myself in Oregon in Cannon Beach. And I'll show this to you after I open the Louis Vuitton. Let's start with the smallest bag. Inside the smallest bag is a small box. Take the ribbon off, pull the drawer out. You may remember I picked up the A5 size agenda refill from Louis Vuitton. I wasn't planning to get any of their agenda refills this year, but I love the artwork so much that I got the A5 and the PM size. Not sure which one to open next, so I'll go with this one. I'll just go in order of least to most expensive. That sounds right, huh? This is their Christmas packaging. I've seen it in red, blue. Have I seen it in orange? It seems like there's a third color. This is the box. That agenda refill, the small one, is what I picked up at the Portland Louis Vuitton. These other items I got in Houston from Becca. If you need anything new from Louis Vuitton, please reach out to Becca at the Houston Galleria store. Her information will be linked below. In this box, I have not had one like this before. Inside, it's a bandeau. I hadn't intended to purchase a bandeau. I do remember seeing this on the website a while back, but it was sold out. And when I went into the Houston store, there it was, sitting on the bandeau shelf. It's the Confidential bandeau, but in denim. Let me show you that a little bit closer so you can see. And I wear blue jeans every day, so I thought this would go with just about everything. I could just slip it over my shoulders for a minute and decorate myself up. And in the big bag, there's this box with the orange holiday ribbon. There's also something in the big bag for Paul. It came in here, but he doesn't know about it yet, so I can't tell you yet. In here is the item wrapped in tissue paper. And when we unfurl the tissue paper, we find, what could this be? It is the Louis Vuitton desk agenda in Damier Graphite. Damier Graphite is part of the men's line, if you don't know that. This is black on the inside. I had been contemplating getting another desk agenda for a while. I thought about the monogram, but I don't like the color on the inside of the monogram. I do like black. And still, I wasn't sure whether I really wanted to get it. I looked at it when I was in Portland and decided not to get it there. Probably not the smartest thing since they don't have sales tax and Houston does. But then I went to pick up my A5 agenda refill and I put it in here and it looks so good. I was like, yep, I'll take it. So that's what I got from Louis Vuitton. It looks really good. Now I'm excited to see this again because it's been about a month since I saw it for the first time when I bought it. And I remember being really impressed with it at the shop where I purchased it. It's a small box, but it is heavy. And I purchased a couple of gifts from this store for other people as well. Everything in this shop is handmade. Wow, this is spectacular. It's gorgeous. What I got is this piece of glass. It's like a big egg-shaped, maybe a paperweight, maybe just a sculpture, but look at all the stuff inside. It is under the sea, and it reminds us of the coastline in Oregon and some of the sea life that we saw there, particularly in the tide pools. And it's really fabulous. It has a signature etched into it right here. Can you see like some of the little sea anemones up here? I don't know how they do that. It's incredible. Can you see right here? There's a little crab, a red crab. But I thought, what a beautiful little piece of art that I can have in my room and see the ocean anytime I want. Here's Roxy. Figured you'd want to see her again before Vlogmas is over. Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody. She doesn't want to. She wants to go back to where she was just sitting. Thank you very much. And here's Baron. Of course, you want to see him again, too, and verify that he is still okay. He's a good boy. He's very good. Vincent is in the other room. She's doing fine as well. I do have some unboxings coming up. Of course I do. There are things you still haven't seen from this past year, but I also have some new items that I've purchased very recently. And I have a few other things planned, but I would love to hear what you guys would like to see from my videos in 2023. What is your favorite content? What do you want to see more of? What do you want to see less of? Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, I want to say this video is going up on Christmas Day, and I know that not everybody not only doesn't celebrate, but also I want to acknowledge that of course this is not a happy time for everyone. If you are having a particularly difficult year, I hope you have someone you can reach out to. If there aren't individuals in your lives, there are always organizations, phone lines you can reach out to. I used to work on a phone hotline for a local women's shelter, and it really did seem to help a lot of people just to be able to call and talk to someone. But please know that things do get better. Bad times pass. There's still a lot of good in life, even if it may not seem that way. So best wishes to you. Best wishes to everyone else. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. Thank you again for sticking around and watching, particularly those of you who are able to join every day. I appreciate it so much. I'll see you again in a few days and in Vlogmas 2023, which will be the 5th year anniversary of my Vlogmases. So we're gonna have to think together and come up with some special things to do. Thanks again, best wishes. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.